Kia ora tātou katoa, welcome back to the importance of this focus for this week, which is Te Reo Māori, Te Wiki o Te Reo Māori, Māori Language Week. I would like to introduce to you what we call Whakatauki. These are Māori, Whakatauki are Māori proverbs. So Whakatauki are proverbial sayings. Whakatauaki are proverbial sayings that are actually said by specific ancestors. So what I would like to make reference to is Muriwai and the Whakatauaki that she quoted for this area, which is actually the tribal boundaries of all the 18 iwi that live here in the Bay Plenty District Health Board region. And it was quoted by the ancestor Muriwai. Can anyone say Muriwai? Say after me, Muriwai. So she named Muriwai's beach in Auckland, Muriwai. She came on board the Mātātua canoe. She also named Muriwai's cave here in this area, particularly in the Whakatane region. 800 years ago, two of her twins died and were drowned not far from Repanga Island. And so she placed a very special prohibition, a tapu, on the area in memory of their death. So she quoted these words. This is a proverbial saying for this region, which is really important to us. Mai ngā kuri a whārei ki Te Reo. From Bowentown to Te Reo, which is Cape Runaway. This is the tribal boundaries of the Mātātua people. So Whakatauaki is a saying quoted by an important ancestor. Whakatauki is a saying of courage and to invite strength within in a time when you really need wisdom from the ancestors. So Whakatauki is a tribal proverb. Whakatauaki is a tribal proverb quoted by an ancestor. So this Whakatauaki, can you say that? Whakatauaki was quoted by Muriwai. When the Mātātua canoe made landfall in Tauranga, she realised that she needed to place a prohibition on the area in memory of her two twins that were lost at sea. Their names were Repanga, and the other twin child was Rangi Kurukuru. So Repanga, say Repanga, Rangi Kurukuru. One of the other members on board the Mātātua canoe, called Whārei, had pet dogs, and Whārei then settled in Bowentown and likened the formations of those rocks around that area at the point at Bowentown as to the likeliness of his pet dogs, kuri. So the pet dogs of Whārei. So Muriwai knew this. So she said, from Bowentown to Lawton Point or Cape Runaway, I placed the prohibition on this area. For my people of Mātātua. Mai ngā kuri a Whārei ki Te Reo. He whakatauaki tēnei nā te tipuna kuia nei nā Muriwai. Mai ngā kuri a Whārei ki Te Reo. This is a tribal proverb quoted by the ancestress Muriwai of the Mātātua people.